Okay, so finally here we have the new Galaxy S22 Ultra, pre-booked on 22nd February and delivered today. Let's open it up. Big knife. And another box inside. Okay, something sharp. Okay, again using the big knife, let's open it up. Okay, here's the bill. Lots of paper and stuff. Okay, let's keep that aside. And here we have the phone. Bubble wrap. The Galaxy S22 Ultra. Slim packaging because they do not give the charger anymore, which I do not like, but still nice, good quality build. So here we have the phone. Okay, let's take it out. We have a 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide secondary camera, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, and 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom, all with optical image stabilization, armored aluminium body, both sides. Okay, it's shiny. There's no earphone jack, so sad. This is the SIM tray. Okay, one set of speakers, another set of speakers. We have a 40 megapixel camera for selfie, and volume rocker and the power button. Okay, so finally here we have the box. Galaxy S22 Ultra, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM. Let's open it up. Unsealed. Let's see. Here it is. Shiny. Okay, so we also have the S Pen, but to that will come later on. Let's just see it, and that's enough glimpse. Let's see the box. So in the box we have the SIM ejector tool, a USB-C to USB-C standard cable. There's no power brick. Some warranty statements. Some regional log guide. It's an Indian product. It's logged for India. Something. We'll have to see. And pretty much, yeah, that's it in the box. The phone and the charger. That's everything that you get. So let's boot this up. Secured by Knox, which recently got hacked. The source code went online by some hackers, so we don't know how secure it is right now, but it's secured. The first boot. Welcome to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. See, insert SIM card. Let's agree to all. Next. Choose a Wi-Fi. We are skipping for the time being. We're not copying anything. skipping everything. Next, skipping, and we are all set up. So here is the home screen. This is One UI 4.0. And these are the pre-installed apps: Samsung Note, Game Launcher, Global Goals, My Galaxy, some Microsoft apps, calculator, Facebook, Spotify, just the general stuff. Let's go to the camera and let's check out the camera. Okay, so here we have 0.6x, 1x, 3x, 10x, and then we can go up to 100. So I do not have everything set up for the 100x, but yeah, it's a long shot. We'll have a detailed video about the camera later on, maybe, but these are all the options that you get. The night photography is improved. We have a new director's mode. Let's see how the selfie camera is. Hello. Natural as well as the bright. Okay. And well, that's pretty much it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB internal, with the S Pen. Can I try something? No. Bad handwriting, but yeah, you got the gist. Subscribe.